Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Another video and I'm back with another new smartwatch. A lot of people were asking me to make a video on a budget smartwatch which they can buy in India. And that is the reason I'm making this video. It's Lenovo's new budget category product called the Ego Smartwatch. It's a budget watch that supports activity tracking and even has a heart rate monitor on it. So in this video we're gonna unbox it and check out how this product performs. And in case if you're wondering why do I have 3 of them on my desk, well, isn't it obvious? I'm doing a special giveaway in this video. I'll be giving away 2 of these smartwatches to you guys. We'll talk about the giveaway details at a later part, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Okay, let's keep these 2 brand new units aside. I'll be unboxing only one of them as all of them are literally the same models. So the smartwatch comes in this sort of box packing. We've got the Lenovo branding on the front. Before I show you the box, let me tear this outer packaging. I want to thank Lenovo for sending me this product for review. Alright, there we go. So this is how the box packing looks like. We've got the Lenovo branding, says Ego Smartwatch here, and has a picture of the product on the front. Let's see what else is written on it. Going to the back side, we've got all the smartwatch features. The model number of the product is HX07, has a battery capacity of 100 mAh and supports Bluetooth 4.0 BLE. Talking about the colors, it only comes in black color for now. And one more awesome thing is, this Ego Smartwatch is 5 ATM rated waterproof. That means it is 50 meter water resistant. Even if you go swimming with this thing, nothing's going to happen to it. It's got some pretty cool features which I'll show you in this video. So the outer cover slides out like this, and on the inside we've got another black box with the Lenovo logo at the top. Let's unbox it and finally check out the watch. Here we go. The packaging quality is nice, and below this we've got the smartwatch. The smartwatch comes packed like this in a cover. Let me take it out. So here it is guys, our brand new smartwatch, the Lenovo Ego. This is how it looks like. Okay, the design kinda reminds me of the G-Shock. It's got a sporty design and definitely looks tough from my first impressions. Let me open the band and show you. Alright guys, so before we talk about the build quality and all of its features, let me see what else do we get in the package. You get a magnetic pogo pin cable for charging the watch and a user manual. Just make sure to read that for all the info on the product. That's it, these were all the items you got in the box. Now let's finally check out the watch. So this is Lenovo's new Ego Smartwatch. It's a budget category smartwatch that even supports fitness tracking. Let me just peel the sticker on the display. There you go, and this is how it looks like. The Lenovo Ego has a 42mm case with a 1-inch LCD display. The build quality looks tough, the watch case is entirely made of plastic and has a nice rubberized matte finishing all over it. It's got a sporty design with the compass marking all over the bezel and has a nice dotted texture with yellow accents. Let me just bring it closer to the camera and show you. We've got the Lenovo branding at the top and says Sport Model on the bottom. The watch has 4 buttons on it, 2 on the right side and 2 on the left. On the right side, you've got a mode button and a reset button below that. Going to the left side, there's a night light and a multi-function start button. The quality of the buttons is nice, but they're a bit hard to press. And if you can observe guys, the watch is entirely sealed to prevent water from entering in the body. Talking about the band, the quality of the bands is also nice. They feel soft and durable and are also quite flexible. But I don't think the straps on this band are replaceable. Now let me show you the back side. This is how the back of the watch looks like. We've got the Lenovo branding, has the model number of the watch, a heart rate sensor at the center and 2 charging contacts on the right. So that's it, that was our complete look at the design and the build quality of the watch. Now what I'll do is I'll charge this watch, use it for some time and be right back to continue this video. Alright guys, I'm back. I've been using this watch for quite some time and in this video I'll give my full review on the product. So far we've already discussed about the design and the build quality, right? Now let me tell you about the display, show its menu and all of its other features. First let me power on the watch and show you. Powering on the watch is very simple. All you need to do is just press the start button for about 3 to 4 seconds. And there you go, the watch has powered on. So this is how the display on the Lenovo Ego Budget Smartwatch looks like. As I've told you earlier, the watch has a 42mm case with a 1-inch display at the center. And I think the top panel protecting the display is made of plastic. It's got a simple 1-inch monochrome LCD display. Kinda reminds me of my old school digital watches which I used to wear back in my school time. Now there's a reason why the company went with this display guys. It's actually because this display uses very less battery. So by using this display, the company offers you a lot better battery life on the smartwatch compared to the other models in the market. Okay, I'll tell you about that in detail at a later part in the video. So on the home screen it shows you the date and time in 12-hour format and also shows you the recent heart rate info on the bottom. Well, that's pretty much it on the home screen. The viewing angles are also decent, plus it also has a special mode called as night light mode, which lights up the display in fluorescent green so you can see the watch even during night time. Works pretty well. Alright, now let me show you all the fitness related functions. By pressing this mode button on the top right, you can access all the fitness related info like the number of steps taken, distance traveled, calories burned, and all that stuff. The watch has built-in sensors to track all your fitness activities, and not only that, it even supports sleep monitoring function. It can monitor your sleep quality and display all that data on your phone. So those are all the fitness related modes. Now by pressing this reset button on the bottom side, you can access all of its other features like the heart rate monitoring mode. We'll talk about that in a moment. Going next, it also has a stopwatch function. Using the stopwatch can be a bit tricky guys, so let me tell you how to use it. In order to use the stopwatch function, you need to go to that mode and press and hold the mode button for about 3 to 4 seconds until you see the pause indication on the display. Now by single pressing the mode button, you can start and pause the stopwatch just like this. Stopwatch is a pretty essential feature and I believe all the fitness bands and smartwatches should definitely have them. So that's it guys, those are all the available modes and features on this watch. Now let me tell you about the heart rate monitor. HRM can be easily accessed using the reset button, and as soon as you enter that mode, the watch will automatically start monitoring your heart rate. The heart rate monitor was doing a good job at measuring your HR, but guys, what I felt was the HRM was not that consistent on this watch. What I mean to say is it was sometimes working and sometimes not working. When I do some sort of heavy workout and get all sweaty, it gets a bit difficult for the watch to measure my HR. But other than that, if you measure it during normal time, it was working fine. Now let me tell you about the smartwatch app that you need to install on your phone. The name of the app is called Lenovo Life. It's available on both Play Store as well as App Store. So using this app, you can completely manage all your fitness related data as well as all the other smartwatch features. So this is how the app looks like. Once after pairing the watch with the phone, the app automatically syncs all the data every time you open it. And on the home screen, it shows you a lot of info like the number of steps taken, distance traveled, calories burned, and how much time you've been active throughout the day. The watch was doing a very good job here, it was quite accurate in measuring all the data, and I was pretty satisfied for that price point. The app can give you a complete summary on a weekly, monthly, or even yearly basis. So that was about the home page. In this sports section, you can track a variety of activities like walking, running, climbing, and even cycling. But for these features, you definitely need to use your phone. The watch cannot function independently. And in the final page, you can access all the smartwatch settings. It supports synchronizing with Google Fit, offers HRM settings where you can either set it to manual mode or even automatic mode, also supports call and message notifications. Yes, you can customize from which apps you'd like to receive notifications on the watch. Don't worry, I'll definitely give you a demo on that after this clip. Along with that, it also supports alarms. There's no speaker or buzzer on the watch will vibrate and wake you up at that particular time. The same thing goes for the message as well as the call notifications. Next on the list, we've got Find My Watch feature, and there's also remote camera shutter. This is pretty nice guys, you can shoot pictures on your phone remotely using the smartwatch. You simply need to shake your watch like this to take a photo. Awesome right? That is how it works. Well that's it, those are all the special features of the smartwatch. Now let me show you how you receive incoming call and message notifications. So whenever you get a call on your phone, the watch starts vibrating and says call on the display. That's it doesn't show you the actual name of the person calling you. And same is the case with the messages. It only vibrates and says that you've got a message on your phone. Instead of like this, I felt the company should have actually provided an option to show the name of the person calling you and also the content of the message. That would have been much more useful. Now let me tell you about the battery life. It's got a 100 mAh built-in battery and the battery life was very good. On an average, with all the features turned on including continuous HR monitoring, I was easily getting around 2 weeks of battery life. If you turn off all those extra features, you will get around 18 to 20 days of battery life on a single charge. Well, that was my review on Lenovo's Ego Budget Smartwatch. It's basically a fitness band in the shape of a smartwatch. It's got that classic digital display, has HR monitoring, feels comfortable to wear, and offers great battery life. The only thing I felt was the HR monitor was a bit inconsistent, and also the method of displaying notifications could have been better. If you're looking for something that offers all the features of a fitness band but looks like a smartwatch, then you can definitely go for this one. It costs around 1999 rupees. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. Okay guys, I know you've been waiting for this. Now let me tell you about the giveaway. As I've told you at the beginning, I'll be giving away 2 of these brand new smartwatches to 2 lucky subscribers on my channel. But to make it a bit more interesting, what I'll be doing is I'll be giving away one of them to a random subscriber and the other one will be given to an active subscriber who frequently keeps commenting and watches my videos. Both these winners will be chosen from the comment section down below. To participate in this contest, all you need to do is be one of my subscriber and have the bell icon turned on. And also follow me on my social media like Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. And that's it, you're in this contest. This giveaway will run for about 2 weeks from today and both the winners will be announced on my YouTube as well as Twitter account. So that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.